Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is caring for my clients' extensions. Yeah! So, here's what we're gonna do. I have one of my homegirls' extensions, and I need to get these bad boys ready to, you know, get back in her hair. So, when extensions come out, they're usually a little, not happy. They need a little bit of care. Now, typically I only work with like human hair when I'm sewing an extension, so you gotta kind of treat it like human hair. And, you know, give it some love, give it a kiss. If you're new here, hi, heyo, what's up, hi, subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with new content, whether it be hair or makeup or I don't know, whatever crazy crafty little DIY project I'm getting into. Speaking of getting into, let's get right into this. So first thing I'm gonna do is we've got all these like thread bits from where we took them off of our client's head. So I'm gonna get rid of all those little guys with those scissors. So step one is just kind of cleansing the palette here, you know, so we're gonna trim out all that. And then we're gonna give these guys a brushing. Easy peasy. Just cut all the little... I had doubled up these tracks, so I like sewed 2 tracks together and then popped it on her head so we had lots of volume. Like, we made her hair dense. The girl was looking like Dolly Parton. It was great. So I'm gonna snip those out. Then I'm gonna grab everything up by the track. I'm gonna gently brush them out, starting at the ends. Kind of baby them. Make sure you got a lot of tension up top. So we're just gonna comb those out. Do-do-do, do-do-do. And then we're gonna take them over to get sudsed up. Okay, so step 2, we're gonna grab our extensions that have been brushed out, and we're going to shampoo them. So we're gonna use lukewarm, cool water so they don't tangle a bunch more. Yeah. I'm gonna use some purple shampoo in these lovely blonde extensions. I'm gonna start right up by the track because that's where all of that scalp oil is. And I'm just gently massaging the shampoo into the track. I don't wanna rough it up too much and create a bunch of unnecessary tangles. I also don't wanna use too much force because I don't wanna rip the hairs from the tracks. There we go. Just gonna shampoo that all the way down. Okay, let's wring out that residual water. Now we're gonna grab our conditioner Today we're gonna use Joico. Condition the heck out of those things. And now I'll typically let the conditioner sit for 5 to 10 minutes so that everything is nourished and awesome. Yes, great. See you in like 5 minutes. Let's rinse. And now I'm gonna be sure to use very cool water. Okay, so we've got our extensions. They are shampooed and conditioned and lovely. So before I go combing through them again, I'm just gonna bring order to my chaos. Grab them by the tracks. Grab them by the tracks. Line them up. Why is this difficult? Y'all, it's been a long day. Okay. Fold it like your laundry. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Okay. Bundle that up nice and neat. Butterfly. I'm just gonna grab the top of that with a butterfly. I'm gonna grab a little leave-in conditioner for today's purposes. I have Marc Anthony Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles, moisturizes, and strengthens for softer hair, plus biotin. So don't really need the biotin in a extension, but it's the leave-in that I had closest to me that I'm like, oh my God, you came in a subscription box. Let me use you. Okay. Cut through. Wide tooth comb. Start at your ends. I'm just gonna get those tangles out. I'm not gripping at them, I'm kind of picking at them with the wide tooth comb. Just let the guys out. And then I can just take it with my brush. Get all the smaller stuff out. Nice, cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do that with the rest of the bundle. Then I'm I'm going to take the lazy way. And instead of standing here with my blow dryer, doing that, I'm gonna grab my hood dryer. I'm gonna lay her right in there. Yeah, we're just gonna lay it in there. Turn up the heat. Give it like 30, 40 minutes. That's a great like rough dry for a set of extensions. Just pull all the extra moisture out so that when I'm grabbing, you know, blowing out each of these sections, which is like our last step, I don't have to fight all the extra moisture. So I'm gonna get these last ones bundled up and right into the hood dryer. Okay, so truth be told, I went and sat down, forgot about it. I did come out and they were still kind of wet. So, of course they were just laying in there. So I flipped them around, laid them out because my ends were dry, and just placed the towel over. Kind of just, you know, locked it in with my nifty little hood dryer and created like a little atmosphere. So, final step, you know, before they get sewn into whoever's head, we gotta take these lovely extensions out and smooth them out with the blow dryer. Yeah, easy, great. So, let's get on that. Okay, welcome to the other side of the room. This is where we're gonna blow dry. So, I have my extensions, I have my blow dryer, I have my brush, and I have a little bit of spray oil sheen that I'm just gonna hit the ends with. Make it nice and workable. Great. Ha! It's pink. It makes me happy. Okay, I'm a simple girl with simple needs and simple things. This is how I do it. It ain't fancy, but it gets the job done. I mean, they do sell, there are like hanging racks for extensions and like the clips, or like I've used like pant hangers, but whatever. I like this way. I just use my knee to kind of keep it shut. And I'm going on like a medium heat and a medium air. I'm just really smoothing them out. They're dry. You don't need to throw a ton of heat on the extension. They're gonna get blown out again when they're sewn into the client's hair. Blow them in, and then that way you can like blend everything together with your scissors or razor, your preferred method. I tend to razor cut extensions. And of course hit it with that same little cold blast. Lock it down nice and smooth. I got some shedding on these, that's okay. Yeah, it's human hair. Let's treat it like human hair. Nice and shiny, nice and happy. And I'll go ahead and do the rest. Top it off with a smidge more oil on those ends. and we're good. And there we go. Now they're ready to sew in. We have given these beautiful extensions a kiss, dropped a little tone into them with some purple shampoo, easy peasy. If I were coloring these extensions, I, after the shampoo would have applied my toner or my Vivid Semi, let that process, rinse, condition. Maybe we do that in another video. I don't know. Should I? Let me know. So if you're liking what you're seeing here, give me a like, subscribe, share it all around. Visit me on social media, give your hair a kiss, Instagram and Facebook, and remember to check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. Until next time, guys, give your hair a kiss.